everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Fueled by Foreigns, and today we are going to pick up our Maserati and show you the outcome, the finished product of the brand new wrap. What we need you to do is we need you to hit that goddamn like button! Hit that fucking like button! Oh my god! Oh my god, we just about wiped down the Fisker. Just for that, you need to hit the subscribe button. We just about ended the Fisker's life. Did we hit the ice or something? I don't know what we hit, but we were like sideways. We were completely sideways. That was I didn't even know where we were. I was like, I'm at the camera, right? And I look up and I'm like looking into the trees. I'm like, oh!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright guys, we're in the Maserati. It's a sick key. Start this baby up. I can't do it with this hand. Give me a sec. Come on.
We're losing the energy, guys. We gotta
time to pump it up.
Oh yeah, guys. Now, since we pumped it up, we need you guys to beat that fucking subscribe button. Ready? Let's beat it. Guys, I'm sorry. It's so cold out here. We're trying to put all of our shit together. It's so hard. I mean, we literally drove all the way out here in 30-degree weather to do this video that's not going to get any fucking views, and then you're going to piss us off. So we're going to give you one more time to hit that like button. Hit it!
All right, guys, there it is. There is the Satin Black in Avery Dennison, and it got a little dirty on the way here, so you know, don't mind any of that dirt. We'll clean it up. It'll look better in maybe our next video. Maybe. Maybe. This thing looks mean as hell, and I don't think you could get a better result, especially if you're going to sell this car.
Yeah,
so
as you can see, Fisker's chrome, the R8's going chrome, pretty much everything else we have. The GTR, you haven't seen it yet. It's chrome.
Yep.
But this is generic. The reason we did generic is it takes a special someone to want to drive these cars chrome. You gotta deal with all the attention. You gotta,
yeah.
I can't even tell you. We get our videos interrupted like 50,000 times a day over these cars.
Mm-hmm.
Like this is a piece of resistance.
The piece de resistance. That's right.
We think whoever buys this car is going to be very happy with the result. They better be. We spent $1,000 extra that we didn't have to wrap this car for the lucky owner.
It's not just getting wrapped though, guys, because it's loud and mean right now. We're going to put that X pipe on, and you got to stay tuned. This is why I think maybe you should hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification for when that exhaust video goes up. You don't want to miss out on it. So
exhaust, let's give them a few revs in it.
A few revs?
Yeah, let's give them a few revs.
All right.
All right, guys, this is not stock or X-Pipe. This is a resonator. This is an everything delete, except for the catalytic converters.
Come on in. Come in close.
Don't break my eardrums. Ready? Yeah, guys, this is the grumpiest a Maserati is ever gonna sound. So if you stumble across this video, enjoy it. We're hoping the X-Pipe doesn't fall too short from this, but most likely it's gonna.
Yeah, and if you ever buy the car and you don't want the X-Pipe on there, just bring it back to this if you like the sound of this.
Yeah, then you get flare and check engine lights and all that good stuff.
It's worth it, right? Tell them.
We're officially going to give you a rev of the fist.
Oh, dude, they're not ready for this.
Come on.
Are you guys ready to hear the loudest car you've ever heard on YouTube?
You ready? Yeah. I got to use my shift knob. All right, here we go. Peyton, you need to get to the back. Get to the back.
But it's right there.
No, get to
Oh,
the back.
yeah, okay.
Nothing's happening. That's embarrassing.
Alright guys, that brings us to the end of our video, and if you enjoyed this, come on back and see us at Fueled by Foreigns. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you know when we post. And again, this is Fueled by Foreigns, signing off. See you in the next one. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Let's pump it up!
Pump it one more time.